Good morning. It is May 24th, 2020, Labor Day weekend, and we are here with our weekly update in terms of lots of options and going over the trades that we had for the week, the good, the bad, the ugly, the winners, the losers, complete transparency from beginning to end. Over the course of this week, we had 26 positions opened. These positions ran from May 17th, which was the close and settlement from last week, to May 24th, which is today, even though everything settled out yesterday in terms of the way Thinkorswim works and TD Ameritrade works, which is our broker, although by no means is this an endorsement of their particular service or software. Summary for this week, we did $3,329.40. Average profit and loss $128.05. Win rate was 84.62. Commissions and fees $472.60. Number of transactions 165. Numbers of positions, I said before, 26. Average winner was, move that arrow around, was $2,114.19, and then we'll put a rectangle against our big issue here, which is our average loser, $10,795.70. This is a horrific number, and I'm sure everybody's saying, oh my God, look at this horrible number. But you have to understand what this number represents. It represents insurance. Insurance was necessary on Friday as a result of the futures gapping down, as a result of the move in the futures, which was based upon tensions in Hong Kong, protests in Hong Kong, issues with China, and a series of other things. A lot of the big name tech stocks were negative in the morning. The New York Stock Exchange tick was negative in the morning. The NASDAQ tick was negative in the morning. We had a lot of negativity in the market in the morning. The prints were thin to begin with because, again, we were moving into Labor Day weekend. However, based upon overall volume, we were on the low side the entire day. It was not until roughly 12:30, 12:45 when we made a new pivot high, which was the signal to get out of the insurance. But again, that was late in the afternoon. As you can see here from overall performance, our biggest problems were in the insurance trades. And those insurance trades are what cost us a lot of money this week. Now, insurance trades can be very profitable because they create delta neutral or delta positive situations where you're moving in the same direction as the market. Delta is the Greek for direction and directional movement. Therefore, if the market would have continued downward, and it was continuing downward for some time after we entered into the position, this $10,000 would not be our average loser. This $10,000 would be somewhere in the total profit and loss that we actually obtained as a result of taking on the insurance. Insurance is extremely important, whether it's used or unused. If it's unused, you had it just in case. Just like life insurance, health insurance, car insurance, disability insurance, life insurance, doesn't matter. You have it in case you need it for the event that something may happen, and therefore it could cause exponential losses, which could wipe out all of your gains for the year, which could wipe out a majority of your gains for the year. And instead of being placed in a horrific situation or, heaven forbid, blowing up your account, which happens to plenty of people, the bottom line is this puts you in a position where you're not going to have that happen to you. Yes, your profits and loss will be much smaller, and that will happen for this week. And if we need insurance again, we will buy it again. We will sell it again. We will do whatever is necessary to close positions early, or in the alternative, to create delta neutral or delta positive trades to increase the overall value of the trades themselves. Please come join our community. Please add to our community. Everybody has something to add. Everybody has something that they can offer. We want people to join us on Facebook, join us on Twitter, all the other social media platforms of which we're a part. Get your text messages in the morning. We're starting a daily service where we're going to be giving you a morning update. We are going to be giving afternoon recaps. Some of those will include trades and explaining the thought process behind each individual trade. And we really want you to come and be a part of us. So come today and join us at www.alloptionspreads.com, www.alloptionspreads.com, and make a meaningful contribution to our community so that we can offer these trades and offer people the ability to not get stuck in what happened in March. Regular credit spread traders, excuse me for being tongue-tied, typically do not engage in delta neutral strategies, typically do not engage in any sort of hedging. They enter into the trade. If the trade is moving against them, they exit. If they don't exit, they simply have very small positions, because the issue with credit spreads is that they can generate a large amount of loss. And in order to protect that position, you either have to exit it and roll it down and take less premium if it's moving against you, which you need time to actually accomplish, or in the alternative, you need to make it delta neutral or delta positive. And that's what we do for you. www.alloptionspreads.com. Come join us today and have a wonderful Memorial weekend. Be safe, be careful, and enjoy. Thank you. Have a good day.